How to determine if a data frame column contains a particular list, independently of its order? I have this data frame. I would like to know if col 1 contains the list B, A, D, without caring for the order of the lists, those inside the column as the one to check. I would like therefore to get here a true answer. How could I do? Thanks.
If values are not duplicated, you can compare sets. If what scalar output true or false, test if at least one true in column by series.any. Fuck method of get_dummies. Use.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.